Hello guys, and welcome to another lesson on my YouTube Processing JavaScript channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how we can import images into your Processing JavaScript application or file or animation or whatever it is you're planning to use these images for. So to begin, let's have a look at this program that I wrote a few weeks ago, and it just displays multiple images in ascending order rather, and then goes back and does it all again. So let's have a look. There we go. It's a very simple animation. You can see the movement of the what looks like clouds and continents moving on this planet. Very basic. Not a lot of thought went into it. Didn't take very long either, but it looks pretty good. I just remembered I need to make a background. Now let's run it now. This should make it better. There we go. That looks slightly better now too. So what we're doing here is we're importing image after image after image on top of each other, replacing it with a background in between each time. So this is just multiple images being run, basically an old style cartoon way of running an animation. Let's close that down. So today I'm not going to teach you how to run these images because I'm sure you can work it out on your own how to turn these images into an animation. But I am going to show you briefly how to import images into your JavaScript file. Before you start, you want to define a P image and then what we are going to call it. Here we're going to call it Earth. We're going to basically make a copy of this, except it only displays one image. So here we have p_image_earth. This defines your variable earth. And now to import it into your file, you're going to want to go earth equal load image earth.png. So earth, so you're giving this a value, and you're going to type in load image, which loads in the image. And inside the brackets and inside quotation marks, you're going to write in the name of the file, and of course end it like normal. Now let's save this earth image, and we're going to save this to my desktop. Let's move that out the way. Here we have our file, earth image. Now you're going to want to go into this file, and we're going to create a data file. Right, name it data. Now inside here we're going to import all the images that we will be using. In this case I'm going to steal this image and we're going to import it into here. Now before you start using it, you're going to want to go Tools, Adjust Size, and make sure that in pixels it's the size that you want it at. For this animation I'm going to change it to 400 by 400. There we go. Now it's 400 by 400 pixels. Now, what we need to do is we have loaded the image with this, and we're going to want to display that image. So as you can see here, we load it, and then we display it by writing image, then the name, and then the coordinates. So let's drag that in here. So image, and then within the brackets, it's earth, which is the variable that we defined earlier, which we've given the value of earth.png, and we are going to put it at 200, 200. Now let's have a look and run it and see how it comes out. Okay. So we can see here it's down in the bottom right hand corner, which would be good if you wanted to, say, put a spacecraft up here or something else, which is what I will be using this layout for when I build my game. But say you want it in the middle of the screen, we're going to put it at 0, 0. It works the same as a rectangle, and it works from the top left hand corner. See here, we now have the earth image smack in the middle of the screen. of the display rather. So that's a quick overview of how to import an image. We want to declare it first as pimage outside the void drawer, and this creates the earth variable. We want to then inside the drawer give it a value. We want to load image earth.png, and this image must be inside the data file, this data file here, which we have created. And then to display it, we type image, earth, and then the 2 coordinates. So that's a quick overview of how to import an image into your program.